podcast top 10 will be covering XML External Entity. So let's get started. So what is XML? So XML is Extendable Markup Language, which is a language that defines a set of rules for encoding documents and formats that is both human readable and machine readable. So you can read over here. So this is the syntax for the XML prologue, which defines the version number and the encoding. So let's go to questions so that you can better understand what is the full form of XML. So the full form of XML is Extendable Markup Language. Like HTML, this is extendable, but is it compulsory to have XML prologue? No. Can we validate XML against a schema? So can we validate XML against a schema? So let's see. Yes, we can validate against a schema. Okay, just think of it like this. How can you specify XML version and encoding in XML document? You have to specify them in the XML prologue. Okay, so I think I'll just start with the main point. So again, a few questions. So in this format, with this is a XML that, so how to define a new element is via this keyword. Now how do you define root element is via this keyword. Oops, my answer is wrong. Okay. Now to define a new identity. It is by entity, and if this should work. So how do I define a new root element? Oops, I actually pasted note as well. Yeah, doc type is correct. So XML payload. So this is example of a payload which will give out your name, and this is example of a payload which will read the etc password file. So let me just do this. Try displaying your own name using your payload. Okay, so let me deploy the machine and I'll just show you in a second. I know you didn't understand anything right now, just a second. Okay guys, so this is the place which I was talking about. You just need to type your payload here and you'll get the result. So for example, I am typing this payload, and rather than Falcon, I'll replace it with, what should I replace it with? Let's keep it subs. Let me press the submit button. Falcon subs. See, you saw that? Paste this again. So what it's doing is the first name is coming as it is, and the second name is being replaced by this thing. So here, if I'll do please, and over here if I'll do subs, look at this. Now please subs. So we have done this part of, yeah, we have displayed our own name using any payload. See if you can read the etc password file. So this is the payload for that. So we can see in the payload we have passed the system command, the system and the location. So we can now read this file. So yep, we can do this. What is the name of the user and ECT password? So you can see Falcon, which is a user over here, Falcon. Let me just paste this. Yep. So what is Falcon's SSH key? So on a default, the SSH key is in home / username /.ssh / id_RSA. This is the default location for the SSH key, but over here the username is Falcon, so it will be Falcon. And yep, that's right. So what is the first 18 characters of Falcon's private key? So over here, rather than passing etc password, we will pass this thing /home/Falcon /.ssh /id_RSA, and yep, it's done. So this is RSA key, and they want us to give the first 18 characters. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. I hope, yep, that's the correct answer, and I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.